Hey friends, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I will show you how to add customized fonts in Capcut. So at first, go to any of your browsers. I'm using Chrome here and search for thefont.com. Go to this site and you will see numerous fonts here. As you can see, there are many fonts. Okay, many of them are just free to download. Okay, uh, I'm using the first one. I will download it by simply clicking in the download option. And see, the download is started. Okay, it's almost done. Okay, now just unzip it. Select extract files to your file manager and extract it here. Click on the extract option and it will be extracted in no time. Yep, it's done. So now what you have to do is go to the uh, CapCut app, sorry, and now go to your new project and select photo or video and then add it. And now go to the text option, select add text, and then from the font option you can use your preferable text. It's taking some time. Go to the add font option and click on the plus sign. Upload your file by clicking upload file option. Go to your file manager and search for the uh, font you have downloaded. Here it is, Anime 2. Select it, OTF file. Now click on OK button and now select the Anime button. Now as you can see that the font is added. Now you can enter text. Write anything. Voila, it's done. So just simply export it now. As you can see, it's exported. So dear friends, if you like this video, please click on the like button, comment on this video, share this video and subscribe to our channel. For getting further videos like this, please press the bell icon. Bye bye for today. Thanks for watching.